Find the positive real root of x cube minus x minus 3 is equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method. If the starting guess, that is x0, is 2, the numerical value of the root after 2 iteration, that is x2 rounded off to 2 decimal places is, so we need to find the second iteration for this given equation using Newton-Raphson method. So according to Newton-Raphson method, we can find the next iteration, okay, with respect to the previous iteration using the formula xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Here xn is the initial guess. Okay, so let's write here xn is the initial guess. Initial guess, which is initial guess is usually x0, that is given in the problem as 2. So now let's use the Newton-Raphson method to find the second iteration of this function. So the function given here is f of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 3. Okay, so this is the function given to us. So if we differentiate it, we'll get f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 1, right? Now using this formula, Newton-Raphson method, let's find the first iteration. First, let's write here first iteration. Okay, so first iteration is x1. Now to find x1, we need to substitute here. If we need to find x1, we need to substitute this n is equal to 0. That means here we can write n is equal to 0. Okay, that means we have the formula first iteration x1 will be equal to x0 x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Now we have f of x and f dash of x also we have, and the value of x0 value we have to consider here in this problem is 2. The initial guess we have to take 2. So the value will be 2 minus f of 2 divided by f dash of 2. Now this can also be written as 2 minus f of 2. So if we substitute here in this equation 2, so we'll get 2 cube minus 2 minus 3. Let's write here 2 cube minus 2 minus 3 divided by f dash of x0. So that is 3x square minus 1, so 3 into x, 3 into x0 is 2 minus 1, and this will be, from here we get x1 will be equal to 1.7273. So the solution of this equation x cube minus x minus 3, first iteration, the value of x we are getting here is 1.7273. Now for second iteration, that means second iteration will give more closer value to the original solution of this x. So let's write here second iteration. So for second iteration we have x1, that means we need to find x2. x2 will be equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So x1 value we have 1.7273 minus f of 1.7273 divided by f dash of 1.7273. So this type of problems you must use the calculators, otherwise you may get incorrect value, because any mistake in even in a single digit, it will cost you the whole answer. Okay, so here if you use the calculator to calculate this, so second iteration you will get is 1.67369. Okay, so if we round off it to 2 decimal place, we can write x2 is equal to 1.67, and that is our final answer. Now let's go back to the problem and fill in the blank. So x2 is 1.67. Now to get more information on Newton-Raphson method, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 4, Newton-Raphson method examples, on numerical methods and simulation techniques for scientists and engineers by Professor Saurabh Basu of the Department of Physics at IIT Guwahati.